Greetings and welcome to lesson number 4, the arms race and the space race. We've talked about some of this before, however, we're going to get a little bit more in depth with that today. So the arms race, if you remember, was between the Soviet Union and the United States of America. It was a buildup of large-scale weapons, so large missiles and on both sides, the U.S. as well as the USSR. If you look at the map, in the bottom right-hand corner, you will notice that these are all the spots where we had our ICBMs, or intercontinental ballistic missiles. From these places, we were able to launch them and get to Russia with nuclear weapons as well as regular ones. The arms race led to the space race, which led to even more new technology. Space race was based on the rockets that were being built during the arms race, and we also use some of the technology from the space race even today. The wireless technology that we have, satellites, TV communication, and also much more destructive weapons. The assignment that you are going to complete today is as follows. There are notes on the left side of the slides that you're going to be looking at, and you'll be answering questions on the right. As you're going through, there will be videos about the 3 different topics, as well as some wrap-up questions at the very end. At the very end, you'll be explaining the arms race in 2 sentences and the space race in 2 sentences. On top of that, there are 2 different cartoons that you are going to caption or explain on the assignment. An example slide is right here. There's nothing to do on that slide. All you have to do is look at it and see, okay, that's what I need to do, and then move on to the next slides. Remember, these blue slides are the videos. If you have trouble getting to them, please let me know. I'll do my best to help you out. If you have any questions, email me or join my live sessions, or even get to me during the office hours that are posted on the Distance Learning website. Go forth and conquer.